Right, so I've got this iPad Mini 6 in here. No signs of life, doesn't do an awful lot. Customer says they'll be using it, and then it just died and does nothing. I don't know if you can see that there, but there is an Apple logo there. Yeah, what I thought was weird was I plugged it into the power supply, and it was taking normal boot current, and it is booting, it's just there's no backlight. Right, so after much jumping through hoops, found that this capacitor here is shorted, and these, which caused these two capacitors, these two diodes here to be short, hence why they have holes in them. The issue is getting hold of them, because they're not normal backlight diodes. Luckily, after much jumping through hoops, I've managed to get hold of some. So we'll get these fitted and hopefully it should sort the problem. Yeah, it's the diode replaced. There we go. It's alive. Beaut. Okay, all back together and working. Just need to glue it down and we should be good to go. It's one of these 5 seconds of video, but multiple weeks repairs in the background. Basically, these diodes are pretty much impossible to get hold of, because whenever you look online for the backlight diodes, all you see is all of the old style ones, which are the big ones, and they're just way too big and all rated wrong and everything like this. But I've managed to source them now. So if anyone else wants a repair doing, if they send it in and we've got it sorted, either that, or if you look in the video description, I've put up a shop link now so you can buy the two diodes, and we can send it out for you so you can do it. But yeah, job done.